So, hello friends, myself Divakar Shukla, and today we are going to talk about multi-evaporator refrigeration system working on nanofluids and powered by solar energy. So this project was made possible by ASHRAE UG grant, which was of $3150 US, and with the special guidance of Dr. Kavita Dhanavade ma'am. So this project works on the basic principle of VCR system. Let's talk about the major components in it. So first we have the compressor unit, condenser unit, and we have this evaporator unit along with this heater coil unit for managing load. Along with this we have few auxiliary equipments which helps us to calculate and monitor temperatures and pressure readings at various points. So now let's talk about like how this project differs from other VCR refrigeration. So there are two aspects to it. First is multi-evaporator system. So what the other refrigeration system is single evaporator. In this we have this two evaporator approach, wherein we have divided this input line to the evaporators into two different lines, which makes us possible to achieve different temperatures in these two other compartments, which can be used simultaneously. In this case we have achieved temperature of 10 degrees Celsius and 3 degrees Celsius in each compartment, and the rest remains the same. The second aspect is of nanofluids. So nanofluids is just a solution of base oil along with nanofluid particles, in this case which was aluminum oxide particles. So nanofluids help us to achieve energy efficiency along with the energy efficiency also. So the scope of this project is that it will be used as a test rig for the students working or studying over here, and it can be used to test like how the nanofluids work, and what's their effect on the efficiency of normal VCR system.